Here are a couple of ways to change the color of folders on a Mac, starting in macOS Tahoe. To change the color of an individual folder, right-click or hold Control and click on the folder and then select a color in the Customize Folders section of the menu that appears. This adds a tag that also changes the color of the folder from the default to the selected color. If you would like to change the default color of all of the folders on your Mac, navigate to the Apple menu in the top left of your desktop and select System Settings from the dropdown. In the window that appears, locate and click on Appearance in the left column. Then, click on the drop-down on the right side of the Folder Color section and pick a new default color from the pre-populated colors, or choose a custom color or match the theme color by clicking Other. Once you've selected your preferred color, you will see all of your untagged folders change to that color, but tagged folders will not be changed. If you untag a folder by right-clicking the folder and unchecking the color from the menu, it will now revert to your new default color. Also, any new folders you create will default to the new color. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks.